comfortable. I'm here at my favorite spot, Cryo, hoping to feel better. I come here to get all kinds of treatments. I'll show you guys around. And I'm hoping the cryotherapy helps me feel better. So you guys, this is the cryotherapy chamber. I get in this part, and I change first, so okay, so I'm gonna change into sports bra and shorts and headband and socks and gloves, and then I'm gonna put 2 minutes 30 seconds on, and these are just some of the benefits. At my second home. I live here, basically. But I need to get a suitcase, and I need to go to Lush for a bath bomb. Lush is upstairs. Now Sephora because I want to get a face mask for my little self-care evening that I very much need. Gosh, you guys, I was dreaming of this bath. I need it. I got this bath bomb. This one. Deep sleep bath bomb. Lavender and all that good stuff. Oh, I need this bath so badly. Oh my gosh, I'm too. I bought this immunity mix. It's got ashwagandha, baobab, rosehip, acerillo, and chili. We'll see how it is. There we go. Put 2 spoonfuls. I guess. And some hot water. I need more hot water. I also got some chlorophyll. I think that will help with my sickness. 1 heavy drops. 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. Let's drink the chlorophyll. Help me. So soon. Oh my goodness. It's huge. I ordered some ginger soup from Soup and Soul. It's ginger, turmeric, all the good stuff. I'm so excited for this. That much, well. Taste it. This is exactly what I needed. It's carrot, ginger, curry. Yeah. It's good. Okay. Time for my bath bomb. Ooh. I'm so ready for this. I am so ready for this. I was dreaming of a bath all day. You guys, I just got out of the bath and it was glorious. I fell asleep. I woke up and I was literally like sideways laying in the bath. I fell asleep. But it felt amazing and I'm feeling a lot better. A lot better. I felt like death yesterday. Oh my goodness. Yesterday was terrible. I didn't even get out of my bed. I literally couldn't even get up. I was just hot and then cold, and then I was hot and cold and hot and cold. Today, the only thing bothering me now is, let me show myself. The only thing, this recording, yeah. The only thing bothering me now is my nose, and there's a little bit of congestion, but that's really it. No more headache, no more. I was freezing cold earlier when I was walking around the mall. I was freezing. But now I'm not cold. You know what? I felt instantly better after I drank that chlorophyll water. I'm gonna be taking that every morning. I think it's good to take anyways, even if you're not sick. But that immediately had some kind of effect on me, that chlorophyll. So it was expensive, but I think I'm going to I'm gonna start taking chlorophyll every day. That immediately had some kind of effect on me. I felt better instantly. But I'm so glad. The fact that I can talk, I'm not even showing myself. The fact that I can talk to you guys right now is a big deal. Cause, oh my goodness, yesterday, I felt like death itself. And I'm dedicated to feeling better because Friday I'm going to Afghanistan. So I always get sick in Afghanistan because everything's not so clean, you know. But I definitely don't want to go to Afghanistan sick. But I'm going prepared this time. That's why I even bought all this stuff, because I'm taking it to Afghanistan. I'm taking my own water. to Afghanistan, I'm coming prepared this time because literally both times I went to Afghanistan, I got so sick. Very sick. So, because everything's not clean, you know, and no one goes to Afghanistan. So when I check into my hotel, every time I sit on the bed, there's like a plume of dust because no one goes to Afghanistan, you know. So I'm wheezing every time I go there, and the water isn't so clean. Even the bottled water they have is like low quality. And so I'm bringing my own water to Afghanistan. I'm bringing the chlorophyll to Afghanistan. I'm going to bring a trough of immunity stuff to Afghanistan because I'm not getting sick this time, and I'm not going there sick. So but I'm so excited to go. Afghanistan is my second favorite country, and I'm really excited to go back. But anyways, I wanted to tell you guys, I have someone helping me. Thank the Lord I have an assistant here in Dubai, and she's helping me with orders because yesterday I couldn't even get out of the bed. So I have someone helping me fulfill orders, ship orders. I ship Emirates Post, by the way. If you get something from my website, I ship Emirates Post, not DHL. And it's great. Emirates Post is so reliable, and it's a great and you still get tracking info. Like, you can still get your tracking info. You just go to emiratespost.com, and then you get I'll give you your tracking number, and then you can just track your package like normal. Anyways, I wanted to tell you guys that these are on sale today. I need to start getting rid of all the oils I purchased. Like I said, I'm going to Afghanistan, so I'm trying to get take care of all shipping while I'm here in Dubai. But these are on sale. It's the set of black seed oil are on sale. It comes as a set of 2 now, and they're on sale in Dubai, so I put them on sale on my website. You can get and it's really cute. It comes like this. Your package come like this. Thank you for your order. Anyways, and then the amla. Everybody loves the amla. This is the most successful thing on my website. The amla oil, the one you can only get in the Middle East. If you buy this stuff in the States, it's not the same stuff. I've tried the one that you buy in the States, the same brand, but they're not making it like they make it in the Middle East. And the one in the States they sell, even if you get it from Amazon or whatever, it smells so badly, and it's got a bunch of different ingredients. So that's why I decided to put it on my website, because you can only get the real deal in the Middle East. And I've got someone helping me because yesterday, like I said, I was in a very bad place. That soup was so tasty, by the way. Oh, okay. So yeah, the amla oil is on sale as well. It comes as a set of 2. Get it now because it will be gone soon, because I will be heading to Afghanistan and a couple other countries near Afghanistan, and so try to get this all done. Also, all of the guides on my website are on sale for $2.50 today only. I have tons of guides, and I would love if you guys checked some of them out. There's some really useful stuff. I have a guide, so they're little downloadable booklets that will be sent to your email upon purchase. I've got a guide planning 3 trips for you if you have a very tight budget. Like, let's say you have $1,000 and you're like, can I travel with $1,000? You can. I planned 3 trips for you with a budget of $1,000. That guide is on my website. I got my Egypt itinerary and tips. How to travel Egypt if you must. You need my tips because that country will have you. It's just an experience traveling there, especially if you're alone. But anyways, I have an Egypt guide. I've got a packing list. I've got Safest countries. I have a guide, 10 places you can travel if your parents are freaked out about you traveling alone. You can tell them about these 10 places. They're so safe. I tell you tips and tricks how I stay safe. You guys, if you watch me, you know I've been stalked. I've been literally stalked by absolute psychos, and now there's a lot of things I do to ensure my safety and that it doesn't happen anymore. I've had creeps literally fly to a country to stalk me, and not anymore. It's not the one anymore. But anyways, I have a guide on that, and all the guides today are $2.50. So go grab a guide on my website or grab the amla oil. This is for extreme. This stuff is insane, you guys. The results you'll see if you use this, but you have to stay consistent. Use it twice a week. This stuff is crazy. It will have your hair growing so fast. The black seed oil is also for hair growth, but the benefits of this mostly is it's really hydrating, so it helps hair fall a lot. If you're someone where your hair falls out a lot, this will help with that. And shine, crazy shine. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully I'm feeling 100% in that video. And I'll link everything down below. Everything's on sale on my website. Oh, also, my journal that I made is on sale. So check that out too. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.